Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video, I'm going to share you about the zero trust. So what is the zero trust enforcement in Microsoft Intune? As you all know, right? So cloud services don't just rely on network, right? They redefine it, and as an organizations adopting Microsoft Intune and advancing their zero trust strategy, many of you discover that traditional perimeter based architectures no longer align with modern security expectations, right? Or the connectivity needs to be a distributed workforce. So zero trust is built on the principle of never trust, always verify, right? As you all know, right? We should not trust. It should always be verified by someone. Where access decisions are enforced through identity, device health, and compliance signal. Microsoft Intune strengthened this model by extending security and management through the cloud. So by removing dependency on on-premises infrastructure, strengthen networks resilience, and zero trust enforcement with the policy-driven device management and secure connectivity to Microsoft endpoint. So by ensuring the zero trust enforcement, what we can do, we can apply the compliance policy, right? The configuration policy based on the identity, right? So that it will build a high wall around the perimeter and trust everything inside the organization, right? For VPN, proxy, or any other apps, data, and user can stay inside the organization. Today, work and data are everywhere, as you know. Legacy network design often force traffic into hairpin routes. So, indirect path through central gateway that add latency, reduce performance, and increase management overhead for Intune or for the SaaS apps or for M365 application. So, since the shift to hybrid work environment saw the limit of perimeter based network, our users expect fast and reliable access to their apps and data, whether at home or in the office or on the go. So policies always built on the zero trust and cloud native principle. This will ensure performance and security, like such as controlling uh, VPN based access, TLS inspections, transport layer security, and centralized proxy, uh, which can slow users down and block require endpoints. So when network get in the way, the impact is noticed, right? Like device check-in and compliance evolution may fail, leaving devices marked as a non-compliant, enrollment stall or timeout, app download may be slow, fail to update or never install. So let's go, and if you see, if you are Microsoft Intune admin, you may have seen, so update firewall configuration for the Intune network service endpoint. So if you click on that, you will see here what needs to be action required to update firewall configurations with the new endpoints by af- before December 2nd 2025. So this will enhance the security, right, to to your internet, to your organization. And if you don't do, this will affect your organization, right? So if you have configured any outbound traffic policy for Intune IP or Azure service tag for your firewall, router, or proxy services, client based firewalls, VPN, or network security group, you need to update them with the IP addresses. I have already made video, but make sure you should update this firewall, or you should add, ensure your firewall rules are updated and added to your firewall allow list with additional IP addresses documented under Azure front door. So you can download, you can click on this one and download the the ranges, IP ranges, and make and by December 2nd, 2025, right? If you are not a IT admin, you can notify to your network team who will configure at the firewall. Okay, so apart from this, what need to be what needs to be done for as a zero trust? So as I mentioned, right, the zero trust means we want to make sure the data is secure, application is secure, it should not be delay, lag, slow, everything. So for that, what you have to do, you have to create the policy, right? There are some compliance policies there. That the first is IP. The IP should be whitelisted at your firewall. So there is, and then you configure the compliance policy. You can configure the conditional access policy, right? So all these conditional access policy it will restrict, and then on top of it you can configure some of these policies, right? You see all these policies are we have created. So these are the things. There are many other things, right? If you go to endpoint security, you can, if you are managing Windows devices, you can create a security baseline. You can create a device encryption firewall and all these. There are so many account protection, device compliance, as I mentioned, all these compliance, and you can also deploy this script as well, right, on for Linux and Windows devices. This is uh, this is how you can make your endpoints secure, encrypted, and protected, right? And it will ensure your endpoints, whether iOS, Android, Windows, or Mac, it's is secure by any unauthorized access. So, as I mentioned, zero trust means you can trust but always verify before giving or allowing access to anyone, based on the identity, based on the multi-factor authentication, based on the configuration, policies, conditions, script, right? So all those things you can do. If you are new to the Intune admin, you must know what is the zero trust, how it's work, how you can protect the data through the MAM app. Like for applications, if we are talking about you want to protect, you can create a MAM app person policies, right? So we have, you can create a app person policies with enrollment, without enrollment, so that all applications data will be protected. You can also select wipe request. I mean, if you want to remove the data or wipe the data from the applications, from any managed applications, you can initiate wipe request as well. You can also configure some of this config. So there are so many things as available here. You can create a policy sets as well. If you don't know, if you don't want to create a different policy for each, you can create a single package as a policy set and deploy to your uh, and can deploy to your platforms, whether it's Windows, Android, or iOS. This is how I just want to show to you that the zero trust, how zero trust is important for the Intune, right, or being as an admin or for any organizations. Till then, thank you, have a good day. Don't forget and like and share with your colleagues. Bye.